orders.
No problem. Burger is cake. Gattu will cook without break.
Food Express. Order right, you will get coins day and night.
The link is given in the description. Download quickly. The Puntun Kids game and the fun begins.
Father's Day surprise. It was Father's Day on Sunday, and Gattu Chinky were still confused about what they should give to Papa.
Come on, Chinky. Let's go and check Papa's cupboard. Let's see what he does not have. Then we will give him the same thing. Good idea, Gattu. Let's go.
Gattu Chinky both start checking Papa's cupboard. Mummy also comes from behind.
Hey kids, what are you both doing? Mummy, we are looking for anything that Papa does not have so that we can gift him that on Father's Day. But he has so many shirts. And watches. He has 5 watches each. Yes, kids. Papa already has everything right now. Now what will you both do?
Then Gattu opens Papa's drawer and starts looking around. And then he sees a brochure there.
Hey, what is this? A campaign brochure in Papa's cupboard? Oh yes, this is the campaign brochure of the same place where Papa wanted to go with his friends. But everyone cancelled the plan. Papa was very sad because of this. This means we got Papa's Father's Day gift. Yay!
Gattu Chinky decide with Mummy that now they will take Papa for a surprise camping. That too without telling him. In the evening when Papa comes home.
Papa, tell us, what are your plans for Sunday by the way?
What? Sunday? It is holiday on that day. We have to go and do grocery shopping on that day.
Yes, Papa, we will do a lot of shopping. What's it got to? You are right, Chinky.
Hey, what happened?
What? No, nothing at all, Papa. Now bye. We have to do homework. Yes. Bye, Papa.
Gattu and Chinky quickly run to their room. Why are these kids behaving so weirdly?
Oh, no. Nothing like that. Those two often behave like this. You come, have your food.
Mummy covers up the matter somehow. Sunday also comes in this way. And now Gattu, Chinky and Mummy had to pack their stuff for camping without Papa getting to know. In the morning while having breakfast. Kids, I will come after taking bath and then we will all go for shopping. Okay?
Okay, Papa. Yes, Papa. Take your bath slowly. There is no hurry.
Okay, Chinky. As soon as Papa goes to take bath, Mummy tells Gattu Chinky quickly.
Gattu Chinky, we have only 10 minutes time. In that time, we will have to take all our stuff and keep it in the car's trunk. I have already kept all the snacks. You will have to take out Papa's stuff from his cupboard and hide it in your bag. And Chinky, you have to keep campaign sticks. Go. Hurry up. Okay, Mummy, let's go.
10 minutes later, as soon as Papa comes out of the bathroom, Gattu goes to his room while running in front of him. Hey, what is this? Gattu, what were you doing here? Just then Mummy comes there.
Hey, what happened?
This Gattu just ran away from here. I feel something is wrong. I don't know what is going on in these kids' minds.
It's nothing like that. Gattu is just looking for his cartoon sharpener. He hasn't been able to find it since morning.
Okay, it's fine. Come, let's go shopping then. But as soon as Papa leaves the house, Mummy locks the house. She comes back quickly from behind and closes Papa's eyes with a cloth. Hey, what's this? Who is it?
No one, Papa. It's just Mummy. Yes, but now we are not going to the shopping mall, but somewhere else. Sit quietly in the car. Yes, Papa. Come on, sit.
Hey, but what is all this going on? But no one answers Papa's words. And everyone starts going to the camping site. But where are we going, kids?
Papa, we will know this only after reaching there. Yes, Papa. This is a surprise for you.
In a short while, everyone reaches the camping site. And after getting out of the car, Mummy opens the cloth tied on Papa's eyes. Which place is this? Is this that place with the camping brochure?
Surprise! Papa, this is your Father's Day surprise from our side. Happy Father's Day. Yes, Papa, Happy Father's Day.
Papa gets very happy on hearing this and hugs Gattu and Chinky. Thank you, kids. I was so eager to come here. Thank you so much. I had totally forgotten that today is Father's Day.
Let's go up now. We have to go quite far after tracking. Otherwise, we will be very late in returning back.
But tracking stuff? Hearing this, Gattu Chinky open their bags and take out trekking sticks and sports shoes from it. And Mummy takes out Papa's bag and snacks from the car's trunk.
Papa, here is all the stuff.
Oh, good. But Gattu, how did you pack my stuff?
Papa, in the morning, when you went for a bath.
Gattu comes to Papa's room tiptoeing.
This is the right time. I will take out Papa's sports shoes, tracking stick and cap.
Gattu takes out all the stuff without making any noise and starts going back when Papa's washroom door opens. And Papa sees Gattu. But Gattu quickly runs away from there. Oh well, so this was it.
Yes, Papa. Let's go for tracking now.
Everyone wears their own sports shoes and caps and start the trekking.
Oh, this is very difficult. Climbing up is not that easy.
Seeing Chinky getting tired, Gattu starts running fast, getting ahead of her.
Tinky, you are very weak. Look at me.
Hey Gattu, stop! But Gattu does not listen and starts going up fast. But by doing this, he gets more tired in a little time. And then he sits down. Gattu, you see, I had told you that do not run fast. While trekking, we have to walk slow and steady. Understood?
I understood, Papa.
After 1 hour of trekking, everyone reaches the top at last. And from there, a wonderful view was visible.
Come on. Now let's set up the tent and prepare the barbecue.
Okay, then I and Gattu will set up the tent and you, Chinky, prepare a nice barbecue.
Done!
Everyone gets busy with their work. And in a little while, the wonderful aroma of barbecue spreads in the air. And now the sunset was also happening and the view was amazing. Really, kids, today was the best day. Maybe if I had come here with my friends, even then I would not have enjoyed as much as I did with you guys.
Papa, did you like our surprise? Was it good?
Good! Oh, I liked it so much, Gattu. No one has given me such a good surprise till date. See how lovely the sunset is. And what a nice barbecue dinner. You all are with me. What can be better than this?
You are right, Papa.
Then everyone enjoys a lot. They sing songs and play games too. And then they come back down the trek before it gets dark. In this way, Gattu Chinky give Papa his best Father's Day surprise.
If you are liking our videos, then like them, comment them and subscribe.